Hey guys, All Aviation here, back with another unboxing of a Gemini jet. So, got the box, let's get into this. So, the model I ordered this time was a Lockheed C-5M Galaxy, Travis Air Force Base. So, I'm really excited to see this. So they packed it real well. Got this off Amazon. So here it is, Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy Travis 100. Technically it's GeminiMacs, but I call it Gemini Jet, so pretty cool. So looks inside, has all the specs. Now let's get an unboxing this. So yeah, it says normal stuff it says, so unbox this. So you got the plastic on top like normal, and then here's the model. And then you got the plastic on the bottom. So here's the model. It's very big and it weighs a lot. So it does roll and does move. It does not come off. So same with the back. It does roll. These move. These kind of move back and forth. There's a lot of detail in the back, showing where the back door would open, along with the front nose. It says United States Air Force on it, and the Jets logo. This model is fairly nice. I've never seen one of these in person before, so it does roll. Has lots of detail to it with the flaps and the engines and all the other detail in the aircraft. It's really nice. So here's an up close shot of it. It's a Super Galaxy. Now I'm just going to review this aircraft real quick within a minute. So let's say it, out of 10 stars, I would give it a 10. It's really good. It's a really good model. If you want a C5 Galaxy model, definitely buy this. It is about around, ranges from $30 to $40, which is an okay price for what you're getting. It has a lot of detail with everything around it, with opening hatches and lights and markings on it. It has logos, which is really cool. Has the US Air Force logo and then the logo on the wing. The engines do not spin, which that is in with all 1 to 400 scale aircraft. And then, like always, the wheels do spin and move a bit. So I would give this aircraft a 10 stars. It is a really good model. If you want a C-5 Galaxy model, I'll definitely buy Gemini Jets or GeminiMacs version. So this one's off Amazon, is about $45, and if you buy it off eBay, it's about $35. I got mine off Amazon, so I'll leave links in the description to go check them out for yourself, see if you want one. So it's a really good model. I definitely recommend it if you want one of these. And yeah, that's about all for this video, so hopefully you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another one of my videos. This is All of Aviation, signing off. Bye.